Hi there everyone, this is Jerry with Sky Management, and I'm here today to review a product that we use here in our property business that is this church branded, we use an elongated toilet seat, but a church branded toilet seat. And the reason why we do use this particular type is because it's got a quick connect feature that allows for easy cleaning, and it also allows for you to replace the toilet seats really simply without any kind of tools. And I'm here to show you kind of a little bit about what's in the box and also how to install it, and we're going to install one right now. It's not going to take any time at all. These usually retail for around 17 or 18 bucks at like your usual Lowe's, Home Depot stores, things like that, or you can get them on Amazon usually around $24 to $26. It's a great product. Comes in the box with the toilet seat itself, and also 2 bolts and 2 nuts that look like this. The nuts and bolts simply go on by putting the bolt through the hole in your toilet seat as such, and then you tighten the bottom on with your hand, and it doesn't take but just a second to do that. Now that you have the one already attached, you simply take the extra bolt and extra nut that you have and insert the bolt through the access hole in the toilet, and then tighten the nut onto the back with your hand. It doesn't take that long to do it. Just a few turns on the back until that is fully secured, and when they're both secured on there, then you have to take your toilet seat, make sure that it's in the unlocked position. There's a lock and an unlock. Make sure they're both unlocked. Place them over the bolts. Simply lock them in position and you're ready to go. If your toilet seat ever gets damaged or it's too dirty and a tenant or you decide to replace it yourself, you simply just have to come in and unlock the back and just pop the toilet off. Unbox another toilet seat. Put the new one on after you've cleaned it. No tools, no bolts required. Snap it on, and you're ready to go again.